Yeah, bushing for an emergency mark by the back in sports or YouTube, King Sport, TikTok. But I said the BM video, more like more share me commenting, no menina, equa ye my. A bushing for a name mreso, your boy, air crobia, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, as share. And now what you mean, I'm number 2 and you say, Mr. Stanley MENZO, to Tony Oma at the Amakrobia, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, it be a Hubert Gyau, it be Peter Amidu Aqua. Any other transfers are Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko, FSA, any coach will be taking in charge of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But the sad news in at the Abramo, a year now what we are a Tremucom. There were a bushel for the Abbasisi ya, but the Betumanum a year. Players bi a ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo firi Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko aso ɛkɔ. Ti pepere a ɛkasa mu sɛ Samba O'Neil free Kotoko ase goalkeeper Kamara ɛkɔ ɛne other few players nyinaa free Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko aso but the latest one a aba sisi Baba Yahaya he is on the verge of joining Aduana Stars. Baba Yaya eguso ane Aduana Stars eguso edi nkomo se ombetumi assign Baba Yaya na Baba Yaya ebesi akan ade ama Aduana Stars next season and I say season a yebesimi GPL league na ebe stars no nti sa nkomodie no eguso a ekoso aka kra bi na kyerɛ deal no aye done nti sisi amino ka say ye start next season a bo say Baba Yaya AC akan de ama Aduana Stars and then news ba ko a ɛhɔ ɛna ba ko a ɛsan ɛwɔ Saka Dauda ɔno so kotokofo ɛhwɛ sɛ nneɛma ɛbɛkɔ yie na ɔmo agye Saka Dauda kwan ebusuafo mo nim sɛ ade ba ko a wɔn sɛ for many years and I said for few years hardly say Kotoko player be free Kumasi Asante Kotoko adjoin Aduana Stars and I say Aduana Stars player be free Aduana adjoin Kotoko nti Aduana Stars and Saka Dauda edi nkomo say otumi free Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and I say omutumi terminate the contract na Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko omo Aduana Stars ready omo ne Saka Dauda ebeye adwuma ewo Aduana Stars we so ne enkomo a ekoso ewo Dauda Saka ahwe ne Aduana Stars ewuso efo yefiri wa Emmanuel Antwi enso enim se class bebre ana epese omo ne Emmanuel Antwi ebeye adwuma a saa nkomodidie no so ekoso efiri wa enim se Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko esan epe coach a obebedi bobo konanim na 2026-2027 season no ode Kumasi Asante Kotoko bobo kono adwuma ye Kotoko supporters no ye sign atwen sa announcement no say ebeba so mede Hubert Gyau news breo mede friend is saying one other player also a news at the breo but currently news ewo ho sisi Peter Amidu Aqua Peter Amidu Aqua news so at the breo say Mr. Stanley MENZO person ane ne ye adwuma but sisi ade abeto dwa sisi ane say Hubert Gyau yenim say Mr. Stanley MENZO share Hubert Gyau management ene di nkomo bebre say opese one Hubert Gyau adwuma for a few years no because yenim say Hubert Gyau sign 4 years contract e ma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko for now wabo 1 season but after say Mr. Stanley MENZO hwe Hubert Gyau performance no especially in the CAF Champions League no Mr. Stanley MENZO very impressed with Hubert Gyau nti Mr. Stanley the board of directors of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko so omone Hubert Gyau management ne kasa na be ya obetumi ani Hubert Gyau adwuma one say Hubert Gyau ti ase and say the management ti ase say omone ani Mr. Stanley ebe adwuma in the next 2 years no obetumi ama no contract ewo Europe and say obetumi ama no a big offer ewo Europe obetumi ekosi akan da Ajax Amsterdam into the sa promises ni nyina e ama Hubert Gyau ene the management but abusuafo de ehia ne de ehu hia pa ne say coach no and say sporting director no and say director of football for Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko asa promise Hubert Gyau say otiasie na say one ne ye adwuma he will be the face of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko next season Nti saa promise no Mr. Stanley Menzo de ama Hubert Gyau ne kam say Hubert Gyau ati ase ono ne management ati ase say obekọ so asi aka de makọ bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. He will be at the face because we call various clubs especially Barcelona you Lamine Yamal we call Real Madrid you Vinicius Junior you call various clubs players bi omo asi wa they are the face of club no. It is how promise it now. Mr. Stanley Menzo Ediama Hubert Gyau say he will be the face of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko from next season going. Na busuafo ensem ya yake nyina Richard Suarez Pepe won nkyeremu bebre a ode bra mu afa Hubert Gyau Peter Amedu Akwa fa House of Folk so news kakra wom fa Saka Dauda fa Baba Yaya news nyina no Richard Suarez Pepe won nkyeremu bebre a ode bra mu afa sa ensem ni nyina ho mummy ngote Richard Suarez Pepe ne yebesa besisi ya
enso se emfa emfiri abusua de tienie maminguram ewo Hearts Folk ashe okay yabaka cho se 2 Hearts Folk players wamo enya deal ewo South Africa abranche de Mauli wayo oni player de Hamza Isa yeah club de Siwelele United Siwelele wamo ena epe emrante Siwelele na uram ewo South Africa wa Japan yeah Siwelele for no wama drop your interest in Mauli wayo wamo interest in Mauli wayo no Siwelele for a drop it oh ni nyina ne se has na no bekan MD emuna ne nsem bi ade kire se papa no a kire mu nyoma bi ompeso mo yana montuo bi omutuo osi players ne de transfers beba incoming and outgoing on betra sia ye later ne has enya NCP our transfer world no now that South African club Siwelele for the money abrepa Japan enti omo moving on because no more pay Malu on a permanent deal on ne de no omo drop his interest no but still Hamza de na loan deal ne the deal is still on no kwasem say Hamza de no omo Hamza representatives no also Hamza represented by Pro Sports International of South Africa yeah a branch de Malu ayo de na ye agency business on person mo ye de branch no konyo mo player oma drop his interest no abuja pesa me jambo now Hearts Folk in terms of player Kabiru Yanko omo coach asam mami coach na enche ye obe pie mu awo Mediema Sporting Club for sa coach no for 2 page no so enso efa emame now odo ani kirem Kabiru sound na okay mabie na haye ye nto azo odo ani kirem awo omaya ne tin ate coach bi ni ma bi ofri bai ni boja for 2 pages me da se pa en China papa we abe coach Edema Mediema Sporting Club enche and opanyi be coach Edema Mediema Sporting Club now ni boja no be coach Edema Mediema no wono coach amene o kasa busapanyi Accra Hearts of Oak for din komo so mbe fa ni boja Edna ba Hearts of Oak on say has supporters LED the call to get some body back yes hitting rocks esan say empanyifo bi board no ma omo de o makasi so o ye story no ha so omo mprema board matim no yes the supporters let that push it didn't work and no edanche coach Christopher Enin adana be to just resign ko focus say wa resign ko has me catch us wa resign ko positive owura no positive omo ko pe na najman of
Rastaman.
David vision for coach young Nanajman has echo pen Nanajman yeah and also antentam says here the coach here anything ade ni boja couple na ni boja no as a mediama for no madam for be free bono Pierre Mitiano be pam se kramane be pam se kramane kwam va so pam ga my we na yes has a pen has supporters be happy Neboja. In fact, when Otimia squad na Moses Parker ma fese ye dabi. We montan channel we me bona we touch na we. Eti coach we at the house show interest e woni mu. Me catch us Chioba. Aristic Chioba so on Hartford omo ereda no coach is a house airpen.
Yeah.
Now house are not just looking for head coach. Almost also per assistant coaches. Essentially, the entire technical team cannot has the Babantino. The entire technical team of the penny, Wamuja Kwai. Enti phobia, the phobia bobo. Wamu a dink about assistant coaches, goalkeepers, trainers, and you has a dink say on the constructed technical team. Nibi. Once again, the question that begs for answer is why do Ghanaian clubs take decision on coaches when they have not settled on who is coming next? In coaching there, and Kaukacha, a Kiaso on Kono. I just a question, the other side are all ballroom. But that has been what we do here, and the decision was taken out. One more any, dear not one of them. Ebusia pennies of a jump.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fellow man.
Asante Kotoko Phyllis and Eba, but my main friend to ya, Sir Adriana a football club. Adriana is Omonia Adriana Stars. Adriana Football Club. Omonia Bre Ewo transfer market and so. Now, none of Kabiru translate calculate them there. As Adriana for ya over concentrate on the middle because midfield Nanka more on a tight another. A branch Jebia on last 3 seasons and an ding a bay deja el cronum. But be up for Biane Shao Khan. Okay, as a boy, there was a penina on a Accra Lions.
Yeah.
And I know you're my captain. And I Shao Khan contract, yeah.
Yes.
I hear now 10 Accra Lions for Sunday. I'm contract, bro. Say, a woman so money no 1 year extension.
Yeah.
No more activity in the absence of a branch of more activity.
Yeah.
To a number of sign a portion. Assemble copy our player status committee.
Yes.
At a point, Kotoko ni or more far some legal services ni and more at my branch. But a branch here freed none of the penny. Club African of Tunisia came calling.
Yeah.
Now, you catch a Ghana for say when a Ghanaian player, when they ditch your club for a foreign dia and did you mathematics, Chrono come woman of the penny come get wow. And this will be catch us over $12,000 a month. Bonus is be able to my boy $15,000. Now branch and a quaon. Yamamun your matem. Young boys and afford. They will continue to live with the penny.
Sure.
No, quite $10,000 Busumia, and that 10,000. I am more than 100,000 Ghana cedis. Fanny say, or qua, would you about 1 year near Pamano? 1 year pet, near Pamano, or bet few with almost 1 million Ghana cedis. Now, no, me follow a boys never acquire. Boys never acquire call Rwanda. No, I bought dollars. So, now maybe we might wait $34,000, and I might wait $20,000. So in Chasso, and I might play. I know about Kotoko and watch the chess cars.
What's $1?
You're born of the penny until the age never transi, led by the GFS and so many of Majuma. Near her queen, but for so massive investments in our game. No, the boys will continue to lead. So, Shao Khan, Diana Stars.
Wow.
Baba Yahaya. Now, there's something that I like about what Samuel Bodu. They want to get their transfer business done very early in the transfer market. When they are done with it, after date for commencement of preseason, but when you are sorted with your transfers, Baba Yaya, the name is 2 weeks. So Baba Yaya Messi, Oba joining Adriana Football Club. And truly, Baba Yaya is on the verge of joining Adriana Football Club. He's on the verge of joining Adriana Football Club.
Wow.
None of you catch her. I'm in TC Kotoko. I see a preco.
Nice one.
Maybe catch us a Kotoko from Penny Von Yena. Yana Buaya Buffo. Player Buayan was disappointed. Tears on the before you try with him. You try with him. I'm the catch a branch because one of me say that's the beauty of it. Obian to me are. Mr. Momon cancel will be a contract. The boys on what deal as is almost Momon cancel. The hard journey say be a player on your part of Kotoko plan for next season. And say player no so for due na ma. Just what time out to come and contract ni.
Yeah.
Yes, I just out terminate. Me say I have seen Kotoko trying to move a little bit further up the ladder. Say omunya de nwa enda bia ni biem. E tobako for director of football yaba. Let the director of football get contacts of agents. And Ubo was a player when in none so cross could be penal. Agent Rebecca broker a deal worth $100,000, $50,000, Sekotoko $50,000 of the penny. What the buy Sikanuma? Obetim dia tosa player no should be e kroma e dia shim. Dan so be cancel contract no. And dan me bo soccer din, you guys mo soccer do di.
Yeah.
No question mo say Dauda Saka. Say na ya kwako terminate the contract. Yes, Adriana for open. Adriana for Accra Tamre Kotoko. The tradition of Kotoko recruiting players directly from Adriana. Any Adriana for Kotoko players direct and said any Okruma. They were born a contract every year Kotoko, the Apam Kotoko to Adriana. They were born a contract every year Adriana Apam to me, but Sakotoko, Adriana negotiate player transfer. I mean, TV.
Okay.
But Adriana for coach some of what didn't team no. On what Dauda Saka dia to say in case I could terminate the contract. Ombefa. But I know I could terminate the contract na enya doma and over Japan.
Okay.
Udu ani chirem ewo Eastern Africa. There is a club that is ready to sign Dauda Saka.
Okay.
They don't want to sign Dauda from Kotoko. Person find free. So why Kenya for clubs now? Or person for player ni free.
Yeah.
But already say Obama $4,000, $5,000.
Sure.
Yeah, you are signing on bonus at my player no. Kotoko can negotiate with Saka Dauda. So Saka can negotiate signing on bonus $100,000.
Yeah.
Ebi Kotoko 50% of it. Nanya Kotoko na ato no basikano mo de ma no omone na chena Kotoko agene de na branch no ko. But Kotoko entry in one terminity contract no. We ade minim and America. Now to the big story of Japan.
The original fella man.
Coach Stanley MENZO. Stanley MENZO. What ding komobi? Common what dear Japan a dinosaur ewa. Ye beer so adiama. One more mutie yen ewa akoma 87 FM. Yes, our production we know a direct production from Pepe Suarez Media.
Fantastic.
Abu Japan.
Pepe Suarez.
Do. Coach no. On him penny for dim come. Some catch us videos. And video na all share no war. Or penny back at chain.
Okay.
Tia Kwasi Ajina player, what's the name of this guy? The position is saying the contract duration is saying and the kofa. Bitami do akwa come on buy no. So okay.
Yeah.
And make catch us catch him penny for say. For all the players of contract e wo kotokono. Player obey here pa e branch the Peter Amidu Aqua. They should go and open negotiations with Pitamidu Aqua ne management. No? If and you're far, obey here Pitamidu Aqua. And watch your best or the Pitamidu Aqua. And watch say in the next 2 years. Say Pitamidu Aqua ever bought under new system no more bana. Obey to a direct deal at Yama Aqua Europe.
Fantastic.
Abjapani.
Yes, sir.
Next season. As a currently Kotoko, no more 3 captains.
Yeah.
Samba. Bye bye Oko. Ansu. Bye bye Oko. Third captain, a branch at the Lord Amoa.
Okay.
Lord, long-term injury. ACL. Yes, started next season. Now who's a branch at the Hubert Gyau. Find 2 pages, mommy. Say Hubert Gyau, I got captain. A man in young one.
Wow.
Lord Amoa be first choice captain. Peter Amidu a branch at the Hubert Gyau. Ebe Kotoko second captain of Japan.
Okay.
San Komodie we know. I am Komodie between Stanley MENZO and Mike Makaba or CEO at the Pro Sports International Agency. Now omudi omunkomo ni aso tita oni TV.
Nice one.
Abjapa mama breakdown.
The original fella man, Pepe Suarez.
Francis Apio say please, is Stanley Menzo a coach or a sporting director? Francis, my friend coach Stanley Menzo because he's a coach. Kotoko Afan a sporting director, football director, but he's a coach. It's not Coach Henry Menzo. Meaning, sir, but he's a coach, and that is why I refer to him as Coach Henry Stanley Menzo.
Yes, sir.
Papa, medical catch last week, sir. Player who age about 23, 24, 25. I just say will be exceptional, yes, sir. Under the new direction, new football direction, no. Some players they will not fall part of it. Me sure say tie for kai. See, a bit this uncommon wa. Say player won't fear no. About 25, 26. Oh, 20. In fact, free 23 air corner. You will need exceptional quality to be part of the Kotoko project. Opinion Ebabayeno.
Okay.
He's looking for, at best, 22 air form, 23 air form. That is the project of pay episode of pay.
Okay.
Watch a video now, especially as a video a chin attention pa. Air Kotoko Africa no boy and okay say Kotoko ne Kwara ewo Accra Sports Stadium. Na Gyau unplayable in that game. Kai go be your share. Kotoko from outside the penalty box. Na ball na set pa na Gyau at the atonet. And we busa Gyau wasam. Abusanim say IMC a omotwam no. Ye dia no tum kan bia omo so bi so mani. So omo say player 2 years. Eduru 2 years na fe abayire wo so player no ye de obekọ. It's a player like Gyau or signing a 4-year contract with Asante Kotoko. Wabom 1, aka 3.
Yeah.
Gyau agencies propose for Omo eguso pushi the Atletico Madrid deal by Buzapenyi. Omo pushi ekwani emie. O bosso kaskala emie. But omo a smiling deal at dawo esre. Anu ye Hubert Gyau to DC United.
Okay.
Minimum amount of DC United at the break call for Hubert Gyau I have $500,000 US. DC United is that a Bruni Krum on America? The Akande Yamanone, but Bruni Krum America. And no almost send the deal at the break call. But Stanley Menzo decided to seek audience with Mike Markup and to explain something to him. And I was saying, this is the explanation. And Nyoma on it, Uran Edium, number 1.
Okay.
Okachan say, no Krenie. Or no bet me at a tea, Hubert Gyau the next year or 2. Now, Hubert Gyau at 1 year and I said 2 years. Or no Nensanoa. Hubert, Obetmenya a direct deal to the Dutch Eredivisie. Tienyepa Stanley akachre Asante wakachre Pro Sports for say womo tiase no man Rashid the 21-year-old Hubert Gyau say see gidigidia ono betime ani Gyau aya adwuma for the next 2 years na Hubert Gyau aya adwuma the next 2 years obetimi adi akwara na akọ straight to the Dutch Eredivisie, especially Ajax Amsterdam. We ayen koma of the penye course. And no na Pro Sports for say omo person mo further checks. Omo person mo further assurance from Asante Kotoko. They want to find out the direct linker opinion did Stanley Menzo. On the Ajax for one to so confident so mo policy Hubert Gyau kakra bia obetiri na ko Ajax first team senior team. In fact I promise na bi and why e dey am the camp of Peter Mido akwanom say odu be wuram e wo Dutch Eredivisie num a top team obo e wo Dutch Eredivisie obetimi e the players na ko Japan.
Wow.
And so say there the ball is in the court of Pro Sports Kotoko there. Omunya desperate to sell because boy na 3 more years with Kotoko. He signed 4 years. 1 and wabo. Eti Kotoko, they are not desperate to sell.
Okay.
Kotoko pressure be any almost say chinchi a say wamoma branch no ko. Baby a pressure no wono. Eh propose for omo push the Atletico Madrid deal. No matter so proposal from DC United for their player. Kaiso omo 2 proposals from 2 South African clubs on the same Hubert Gyau at the other.
Yes.
Enti Stanley Akacha Mike Markup see you at the propose on yabotre on home so. No one taking the time. Na so munya botre no take your time. Ono ebetimi enye deal. Na Hubert Gyau no the face of the new Kotoko project. Kotoko new project omo ye no. Face no Hubert Gyau we nsama opanya din at Stanley MENZO, the director of football for Asante Kotoko. Oni pro sport for see you at the unko. Abjapan
Pepe Suarez.
Kotoko midfield no Kofi Tumpo na mbeka na asem kire wo. Ebe yi ni videos at kire wo Bechem United. Wamo central midfielder no. Some catch as a coach in every place be video.
Yeah.
No kwasem the coach na shase catch empanyin for say omo nin komo around Kofi Tumpo.
Wow.
Stanley, the director of football at Asante Kotoko, after watching videos of Kofi Tumpo, me catch us also on 5 minutes video, on 3 minutes video, 6 matches near Cabo when you trade derby. Enti Bechem Kotoko about TV show, no a pelenke no a sharp branch no over a 90 minutes game. Bechem out of folk about TV show, no a Kofi Tumpo over 90 minutes game. It or assessing no different games a branch of the boy, not just the extra educated player no. And Metwaka is a coach, or a midfield of Gyau, Tumpo, and then Lord Hilaria double and Prince Badu Isco. Omiani and Zapani per coach, the why they will stay.
Okay.
Again, Lord Hilaria double signed 4 years with Asante Kotoko Bumbako. Prince Badu signed 3 years on about half season. Aka 2.5. And about Eddie Asante Kotoko. And no, and a coach, and say a double and Badu in terms of had any midfield no. Say a double the Bejina says, Tumpo 8, no.
Okay.
Now he Gyau Ejina 10.
Wow.
A bit my Prince Badu, no the Tumpone Gyawaka home. Sana coach in the SSS no, sa and a penny, or ya dinner, and no any asem keto ewo Kotoko asye. Now, my friend just a Prince Badu. Said, do you know Maya and Jababa? A club in the eastern part of Africa. Ever send a proposal to pay $100,000 at their brass and Kotoko. None of them got here and your branch on what transfer fee now. Could go to the nations, no. What 100,000 Bibles you got on tongue. A monton. 100 yeah. Ever says 1 million Ghana cedis in a crowd.
We have 1.1.
Now, Kotoko on what transfer fee percentage in the shame of nations, but tea or music don't be janos.
Okay.
So Kotoko may want a dealer, a dose, especially because boy now only 6 months out of the 3-year contract he signed. So by next season the contract you are, then Kotoko may consider with the player sales, Nyoma ya ne player no the duration of his contract. Ni na bam because udi diagra because of Bosman ruling obeko free. And no kakra nkomodia and no afiafia ho but metima ka cha say Prince Badu Isco and Lord Hilaria Dabo coach am green light that they will stay.
Okay.
The rest of the midfielders am more mudi na Japan. Bebre ade no ebe say ye be peti mama na say ko peti maba na yahu amwakọ. Yen terminate ne de say players are could be decided to terminate contract and no so a bear players are a beer we are here ye would ton ye ni ya no so beso e bia was sign I can't 1 year pay it will turn and turn out maintain I just want to bench side janaka and no be there say player and the proposal basa could terminate ya could consider but I did not could throw it 6 months ye twem sign high and sign her you be 12 6 months no this year ɛnya deɛ a kɔtɔkɔ ɛbɛyɛ saa deɛ no bebrebe ɛwɔ market no so abusua pɛnsa mɛkyampo
Richard Pepe Suarez
mame ɛmfa Felix no ɛmfa nsi yɛdɔɔso yɛka sɛ yɛbɛdi akyirɛ a yɛbɛhwe asuo fra no yɛdi